Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio, and in this video it's another it's the final part of what the fuck, because we pretty much ran into everything. Well, I can't say that really, but anyways, here's the video. And as you can see right here, I finally got the edge of the remainder of all that crap, that particle board, cut away so that I can tuck the new plywood underneath once I build the framework. The next step of this project, as long as my body can hold up, because I am 50 years old, as you can tell, there I am. So anyways, we got to sweep and mop up all this dirt. I mean, I got the heavy stuff up, but there's still like light amount. We got to clean this up as best we can so that we can throw down the, you know, it's similar to the green shit that's already on there. I want to redo it so that at least water won't come up through the cement. I know I've mentioned this a couple of times, but you know, also might want to hit the walls where at the base all this shit. I don't know yet, but I know I gotta like I gotta get all this stuff out of here and properly sweep it and then mop it and everything. And but I even got, let me grab the light so that you can see in the closet, because it is kind of dark because there is no light in there. I may change that, I don't know yet. But I even got all that crap that was sticking out there out too. And like I said, I still got to sweep and mop it. Still got to pick up all this little itty bitty bunch of crap that I missed sweeping. Because this is Saturday the 3rd, yeah, Saturday the 13th. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, Sunday. By the time you see this, it'll be Friday after that. But anyways, we're finally moving on to the next phase. This is what happens when you do it by yourself. And like I said, it's nothing against my wife. She's just not capable with power tools. And I don't want her to skewer herself. And if I sound muffled in that, that's because I'm wearing a mask, because I kicked up a lot of dirt and dust in the air. And I really don't want to breathe that stuff in, because considering everything that's gone on with this floor, I can pretty much guarantee it's not good for me. Yes, come to the dark side. We have cookies. But yeah, I've definitely decided to leave that there. I trimmed the loose stuff on the edge of that so that when I put that there, I can butt it up against it. And still haven't decided if I'm going to cut that leg out. I might cut the leg out. We'll see. I still have to think about that, and I have to make up my mind on that soon. But yeah, it's pretty much I gotta just clean up all the dirt, clean up the walls of all the crap on the wall and everything, so that this is a lot of work, man. A lot of work for one person. Luckily, the cleanup phase, the wife can help me with that. And the prep work, she can help me with that too. But, and I mean, she can help hold stuff while I screw stuff in. Sorry, my finger was over the lens. It's on my big fat finger. But anyways, yeah, because it's like, I really don't want to rip these walls apart. Because, you know, I give guys that do this stuff for a living credit. They can do this stuff way better than me. Because I swear to God, I've been working on this for like a couple of weeks now. Maybe 3, maybe even a month. I can't remember exactly if it's been 3 weeks or a month, but whichever time frame it is, I'm sure if it was professional and there was at least 2 dudes that know what the hell they're doing, I can almost guarantee that they would have had this either almost done, halfway done, or done. It's one of the 3. Me, I'm still, like I said, I haven't even begun to do anything yet. I've just been ripping shit out because, man, is this shit rough. And as I pick up stuff and go, what the fuck is this? I don't know what the hell I'll title in the next series, but this is definitely still going to be part of what the fuck is all this, because this should not have taken me this long. This floor should have never been this way, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, I don't understand. Like I said, I'm still amazed at how the hell this floor lasted as long as it did. But, I mean, you can definitely see, because I think this stuff did come out of the closet. I mean, that's some major ass wood rot right there. I mean, that's bad. You know? That is extremely, extremely bad. Like, see, like that stuff right there, that one going down there and that one there, those actually look alright, but man, that's just bad. And there was a piece I cut out here in the corner that was sticking out. And it pretty much, as soon as I hit it with the tool, it just started breaking apart like real quick. And I even cut the piece that was sticking out over there in the corner. But pretty soon we should be moving on, you know, should be starting the prep and cleanup and prep phase starting tomorrow. And hopefully there's, well, I'm not going to say hopefully, because there pretty much is probably still going to be surprises and shit that I'm going to have to deal with. I decided to go with 5/8 plywood. I just hope I can find a place that has some that'll work, because Home Depot doesn't have any, and neither does Lowe's. So I'll have to see if there's anybody else that any other place where I can get it. I mean, I don't need it just yet, because I still have to determine if I should cut that block off. I haven't decided. But what I could do is put one behind it, screw them together, and then bring it down this way to that point, or even behind it if I can. Like I said, I haven't decided. I'll have to see if it'll fit. Alright, and another thing that I did was I removed all of the remaining ceiling tile from off the top of here, so that, because there's what's left of it, I already bagged up a lot of it in there, and there's some more of it there, but it's definitely coming along. It's definitely taking, like I said, I can only work for so long till my body's like, guess what, I'm done. So, but I still have stuff I have to remove. I'm probably gonna have to take down that trim. I don't know, I'm just gonna probably buy all new trim. I don't know, because the main priority here is going to be getting the floor done, and then the ceiling. The trim may not be ready just yet, although I definitely want to try to do it to a degree. Just depends. It just depends on how much it costs, because I really don't want to reuse a lot of this old crap, because it's just basically old crap, and it doesn't match. I think I might have said it in another video. Okay, and as you can see in the video, pretty much we're moving into the cleanup and soon to be starting the building phase of the project, which is, yeah, because like I said, it's not like life doesn't happen, and like I said, I'm not a professional and I can't do everything myself, basically. But that's going to be what's coming up. I have to clean up everything now, and I have to start buying the materials, which I'm going to buy them a bit at a time, so that way I just don't have like a lot of stuff, considering I don't have a lot of room in my house for everything, because obviously I have way too much crap. So I also, this is a part of the hobby desk thing that I'm changing around, so I figure I'll show you. This right here is my old microphone stand.
It was good for starting out, but I made a bad choice when I initially bought this. I actually bought a different one. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's definitely a lot better than this one. It's a lot stronger. I took the springs off of it just so that I can easily like collapse it and everything. But this will be turned into a camera, you know, mount, so I can still use it. It's still functional to a degree. We'll see what happens if I deem that it's just not working out. It just gets thrown away. But that's pretty much, you know, like I said, this is the old one. The new one's actually attached, and it's actually really nice, really strong, and I do like it. But, you know, it was time for an upgrade. Like I said, this thing served its purpose. It'll, like I said, it'll be repurposed, or, like I said, if I find somebody local that would want one, I'll be more than happy to give it to them. May check with a couple of the co-workers that I have, because they might want to use it for something, maybe. I don't know. It just depends. So that's one upgrade. The other, I'm still going to keep it because I could still use it because I have a plan for it. But I bought a new monitor stand to go on my desk downstairs where I paint and everything. I have a feeling this is going to work the way I want it to. Hopefully it should stick past the back of it so that I can have the monitor in the center of my desk area. It'll be in the center. That way I can put more of those Hobby Zone units over that way and see what happens. I'll have to change the positioning where I had the outlet strip that I was using in there. More than likely it was I might be able to mount it underneath, maybe, just depends. Most wiring's going to have to go down the back anyways, because the holes in the top of the desk are going to be covered up with the Hobby Zone equipment, the boxes, because there's two of them, one at each end, and the one on the right is covered up with all the Hobby Zone boxes that I had set up there anyways. So either way, it was going to be covered up. Now the other one that had a neck like this, and it was attached to the pole where it could swing out and it can go up and down. That one I'm going to put over in the corner because I'm going to add another monitor. I need to get a different one. I haven't decided which one yet because I actually want two monitors there along with a laptop, and I want the one over there. Just so that way that I can, when I'm doing DaVinci Resolve or anything, I can have more than one screen, because I'm addicted to it at work. I have two big monitors and then my laptop screen. So yeah, I just don't want four at work. I don't have a problem with four at home, because this way YouTube and stuff like that while I'm painting and, you know, like following, you know, tutorial videos of any kind, definitely there. But there'll be two there, so that way I can, you know, like I said, use DaVinci Resolve on multiple monitors and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it for now. As I always like to say, hey, stay safe, guys, and have a good day.